Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are happy and smiling as usual. Today, we will see the exercises of chapter 12, Ram Raj, the watchman. Let's see the first one, that is, these sentences are about the passage. Put a tick by the words that give the most correct meaning. Before doing this exercise, please go through the chapter at least thrice, then you will be able to do this easily. Now, moving to another question, that is question number 2. Learn and act. A guessing game. It is a guessing game. Let's see how we will be playing. Mohan has put something in a box. The other children cannot see it. Mohan, there is something in this box. What is it? Can you guess? What do you think, Maya? Maya, I think that it is a pencil. Mohan, no, you are wrong. What do you think, Prem? Prem, I think that it's a pen. Mohan, no, you are wrong. What do you think, Anu? Then, Anu, I think that it's an orange. Mohan, no, you are wrong. What do you think, Sam? Then Sam, I think that it's an apple. Mohan, no, you are wrong. What do you think, Radha? Then Radha, I think that it's a rubber. Mohan, yes, you are right. It is a rubber. So it is a kind of game you all want, and you can play this game at your home as well. Now moving to question number 3. These questions are about the conversation that you have just read. The first two have been answered for you. Okay, so we have got some questions as well based on the above conversation. The two has been done already. A. What did Maya think that it was? Maya thought that it was a pencil. What did Prem think that it was? Prem thought that it was a pen. I think it's very easy, so I won't be discussing any more questions because answers are already given in the conversation. You can do it easily. Moving to question number 4, that is, make 12 sentences. Here you can see a yellow box in which many columns are there. Many words are written as well. So we have to use all these words to make sentences. Let's see how we will be doing. Prem thinks that it is a pencil. Prem says that it was a pen. Prem says that it is a pen. Prem said that it was a pen. Prem thought that it was a pencil. So here you can see you will be using all these three words. All these three words with is, and below three words thought, said, knew with was. Okay, hope I am clear with this. The below three words you all have to use with was, and above three words you have to use with is. So let's see one more. Prem knew that it was a pencil. So like this you can make 12 sentences. Let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is already done. Put is, are, was or were in the blank spaces. You can see blank spaces in which you have to fill is, are, was and were. Though it is already filled, but we will be seeing how can we use is, are, was and were. I think uh, many of you have understood already that these are helping verbs. Let's see how do we use is. We use is with singular subject. Here singular subject means when we are talking about one person or one thing or one animal, then we use the verb is. And in present tense, is we use in present tense. Coming to are, are, when we are talking about more than one thing in present tense, then we use are, are. Like if they are playing, we are dancing, Ram and Syam are dancing, Mohan and Sohan are going to the school, boys are moving towards the park, like this. Here we can see example of is as well. Maya thinks that it is very hot today, so we have used in is, and here also we can see Maya singular subject. Here also you can see is has been used because we are talking about the answer, means one answer. Hope I am clear with is and are as well. One more thing here I would like to tell you all. We use you. We use you always with are only. We use you always with are only. Now coming to was. When we are talking about one person, one thing, in past tense, then we use helping verb was. One person means one thing or one person. Let's say B. Yesterday she said that it was very cold. She said that. She means, I think you understand, one girl or any female, any one female, but don't get confused. We use were when we are talking about more than one thing or one person or one animal in past tense. Like boys were dancing yesterday night. Okay, like this. I think were has been used somewhere. Yes, at what place it has been used. You can see here. I think that the boys are being very helpful. You can see are it has been used because the subject is boys, more than one. Said Miss Rao, I thought were they very helpful yesterday too. Here you can see they. They means way low, more than one. So here we have used were, W-E-R-E. So like this you have to practice. Question number 5 is very important for everyone. So please understand and practice as much as you can, as it will help you a lot in your communication as well as in your writing skill. Now moving to question number 6. Change the sentences like the ones below. Here you can say you have to change the sentences the way it has been done here. Chetan said it is hot. So the answer will be Chetan said that it was hot. Anu said I want to do it. Anu said that she wanted to do it. Mohan said I like ice cream. Mohan said that he liked ice cream. Two things here you can notice. First, after said, we all are writing that in all the answers. That, and you can see this helping verb. Is has changed into was. Want has changed into wanted. Like has changed into liked. So accordingly you have to do changes. Again I am showing you all. Is has changed into was. You can see. If we see the first sentence, Chetan said it is hot. So answer will be Chetan said that it was hot. In the place of is, was has come. In second example, Anu said I want to do it. Anu said that she wanted to do it. want has changed into wanted, and in the place of I, what we have used here, see. Why we have used she? Because our subject here is Anu, and Anu is a female, so we have used she as a she. Here you all can see Mohan said, I like ice cream. Mohan said that he liked ice cream. Now, why we have used he here? Because Mohan is here, na? Mohan is a male, so we have used he. So hope I am clear on this, though I would like to explain some question here. Let's see D. Maya said, I want to see it. So what will be the answer? The answer will be Maya said that she wanted to see it. Very easy. Maya said that she wanted to see it. If we see H, Prem said, I know the answer. So what will be the answer? The answer will be Prem said that he knew the answer. It's very easy. No has become new. So like this you have to do. Now let's see question number 7. Write out this passage putting in all the punctuation and capital letters. You have to rewrite this passage with proper full stop, comma, inverted comma, first letter capital, etc. Practice this because it is important, very important. So like this you have to do.